How to add stickers on CapCut. Are you guys facing issue to add stickers on a CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now open the project that you want to add a sticker on. Look at the bottom of the screen where you can see the option for edit, audio and text. Click on text. After you click on text, you can see the option for stickers. Click on it. Select the sticker that you want to add on your video. Once you select it, how to see your notification on this. Click on this check mark. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add stickers on CapCut application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding CapCut, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.